the body maintains. What it is required to use. What is used consistently is supported over time. What is not used begins to reduce. This is not random. It is how the body decides what to keep and what to let go. Over time, use becomes the signal that shapes what remains. Maintain everything equally. It prioritizes. What is needed, what is required receives support. What is not required receives less. Over time, this prioritization becomes a pattern the body follows. And that pattern shapes what is maintained and what is reduced. Use creates signal. Repeated demand tells the body what matters. The more something is used, the stronger that signal becomes. Over time, this signal becomes the pattern the body follows. And that pattern guides what is maintained and what is reduced. Signal drives adaptation. The body responds to what is required. It adjusts based on demand. The stronger the signal, the stronger the response. Over time, this response becomes the pattern the body follows. And that pattern shapes how capacity is maintained or reduced. Muscle is not random. It is a response. It reflects what is demanded of the body. The body builds based on requirement. When demand is present, support increases. When demand is low, support decreases. Over time, this response shapes what is maintained. When use decreases, signal decreases. The body receives less information that capacity is needed. With less demand, support begins to reduce. The system adjusts based on what it receives. Over time, reduced use leads to reduced support. Reduced signal leads to reduced capacity. What is not required is not maintained. The body responds to what it receives. When demand is lower, support becomes lower. Over time, this reduction shapes what is available and what is not. This is not failure. It is efficiency. The body is designed to conserve energy. It reduces what is not required and supports what is needed. This is how the system adjusts based on demand. Over time, this adjustment becomes the pattern the body follows. The body is designed to conserve energy. It prioritizes what is necessary and reduces what is not required. This is how it manages resources over time. What is not needed is reduced, and what is needed is supported. Over time, this process shapes what the body maintains and what becomes less available. Demand preserves capacity. What is used remains available. The body responds to what is required. Repeated demand reinforces support. Over time, this reinforcement becomes the pattern the body follows. And that pattern helps maintain what is needed. This applies across systems, not just muscle, but function. The body adapts as a whole. Changes in demand affect multiple systems at the same time. Over time, this coordinated response shapes how the body maintains capacity. Repetition shapes capacity. What is repeated becomes supported. The body responds to patterns over time. Repeated demand reinforces what is needed. Over time, these patterns become the baseline the body follows. And that baseline shapes what is available and what is reduced. Stagnation narrows capacity. Reduced demand reduces availability. The body responds to what is required. When demand stays low, support continues to decrease. Over time, this reduction shapes what remains available. And what becomes less available is used even less. The body does not keep what it does not need. It responds to demand. What is used is maintained. What is not used is reduced. Over time, this response becomes the pattern the body follows. Adaptation preserves. Stagnation narrows.